Okay, new day, another new product that I found on Aliexpress, and take a look. This one costs around 18 US dollars, and why it's a little bit expensive? Because it's a electric mini grinder engraving pan, 4.2 volts, rechargeable, of course, 6,000 to 16,000 rotation, it says, wireless grinder for jewelry, metal tool, cordless micro rotary tools drill that comes together with everything that you need for your projects. I found it interesting, and also it comes in two colors, gray and orange. I have ordered the orange one, and of course I got it. Oh, it's a tight. Ooh, looking nice. DIY rotary tool, multifunctional rotary pan for all surfaces. LED display screen. Beautiful. Alright. Come on, man. Oh! Wow, nothing more. This is not instruction manual. Declaration of conformity. Alright. And I love this because everything is organized very well, and I think that is the same as this one, but this one is an electric mini rechargeable repair screwdriver. Also, I will put a link in description below for both products, but in today's video we're gonna see. Oh, it's opposite. Oh, why? I have ordered orange. Huh. And on the picture is orange. Never mind. Ooh, feeling nice. I can feel that the... Oh, I have accidentally turned off the... I need to hold it. Wow, it's already working. Oh, nice. Oh, we have the light also at the front. Beautiful. Holding, turning off. We have the rechargeable Type-C cable for charging the device at the bottom of the rotary tool. And let's see what we have here. No, first I'm gonna read the description. What it says: 6 precise speed settings from 6,000 to 16,000 RPMs. What it says: a bright 360 LED light. Alright. Name: electric mini grinder kit. Material: ABS plus metal. Rated power 8 watts. Battery capacity 500 milliamperes. Color: orange. It's not orange, it's gray. Alright. View more. All new upgrade powerful motor. 16,000 rotations per minute. Overheat protection, low noise, low vibration. 6-speed adjustment, move as you wish. Alright. So we have different tools for attaching, for grinding, for cleaning, also drill bits. And here in this plastic small container we have sanding paper, a mini chainsaw. Wow, I need to try that. Alright, let's see now the tool. So we have at front, this is lock mechanism, so you can easily change your bits. Alright, we have the main power button, and on bottom we have the Type-C connector for charging. But how to control the... Oh, we have the small icon right here. Can you see on the display? It says that it's rotating forward, and number 10 times 1000 RPMs. With the next button 12,000, 14,000, 16,000 and off. But how to change the direction? With double press? Yes, with double press you change forward or reverse. Nice, nice, nice. Alright. 6. Whoa. Holding the button, turning off. I need to test this thing. Turning on. Wow. Pressing the button and easily remove like this. Also there in the kit there is a wrench, so you can tight very hard. Alright, now I'm gonna try this for metal surface. Okay, let's tie it with the wrench. Turning on. Speed 14,000. What do you think? This tool is doing a great job. Holding again, turning off. Alright, next testing. We're gonna try on this rusted metal using the grinding sandpaper. Turning on. Beautiful. I like it. Before trying the saw blade, this looks very cool because it's mini. I'm gonna show to you how much current is pulling this rotary tool while charging. I'm gonna use my USB adapter right here. Plug in. Also we have battery icon right here that is showing that it's charging. It have 3 bars and it's pulling 400 milliamperes. That is a nice current to charge the 500 milliamperes battery inside this thing, which is nice. And can you operate while charging? Let's try that. Yes! And take a look how much current is pulling at 16,000, 1.3 amperes minus 400. That means that the rotary tool is getting the energy from the power adapter, which is nice. Alright, holding power off. This is the attachment for the saw blade. It looks a little bit dangerous, but I'm gonna try it. Okay. We're gonna start with believe it or not, it's cutting. Let's go with maximum speed. Beside the saw blades for wood, I got 2 of them. You will get how much? 10 of these discs for cutting metal. Take a look how small they are, and I have already placed one on the rotary tool. I'm gonna try to cut the metal. That's right. Oh, it's flashing for the battery. I need to use my power adapter. Whoa! Can you hear it? Because it's not charged to the maximum, I get some extra power using the power adapter. Let's try it now. I can cut the metal but very slowly. Can you see that? On this metal piece that is hard metal, I made small cut right here. You can see that. Now I'm gonna try to use on my aluminum piece. Let's go to the maximum. It's cutting a little bit easier. Beautiful. Oh, it's already hot. I can hold it. Alright, alright. Power off. So, why this mini rotary tool is beautiful? Because it's portable, it's rechargeable, it have a LED display, 6 speeds, also you can change direction, which is nice. And in the kit you will get a lot of different attachments, plus the Type-C rechargeable chargeable cable, and everything is organized very well. Okay, that was all for today's video. The link for this product will be in description below, so you can check it. And also, as I mentioned, in the same box I have the mini electric screwdriver with a lot of different bits. Nice. Now I have 2 of them. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!